gonna jive here in a second, guys.
It's been a hell of a year. How did you see?
The channel's been fighting a slump, and honestly, these January races felt the same way. With races starting at 6 p.m., it meant that we were sailing in total darkness and filming was nearly impossible. But we kept showing up. This week's video is short, featuring a few moments I could capture in low light, some hilarious banter with Chuck from Sailing Vessel Yellow, and finally, the results of the Morph Annual Awards ceremony. I almost didn't post this because the sailing footage is scarce, but if you stick around to the end, you'll see why these January races are so critical to the overall results. One Hell of a Year is the perfect soundtrack for this one. Sailing aboard Leprechaun took dedication, but sometimes you have to grind through the dark to get to the goal.
I swore that I'd never leave again, and I lied. It was the weight of the world. You set me free. You can't sleep alone, and you ain't sleeping with me. Been a hell of a year. It's been a hell of a year.
Start like 20 minutes after us and then pass us up?
Seems rude.
Got a good engine.
Who you got on your boat?
Bernard and Curtis.
All right.
You got 3 electrical engineers.
That's our problem. We got 1 civil. Trade you.
Away, and then you drink till you drown. How was it meant to be then? It ain't meant to be now. I love this home, but now I hate this house. Been a hell of a year. It's been a hell of a year. It's been a hell of a year. How did you see that who I was ain't who I was gonna be? I could have been right, was probably wrong. So many nights wishing.
Next up, we got the first place for our Wednesday night series. And this Wednesday night series, it's combination of bad weather, cold weather, windy weather, that sort of thing. We have a year-long, about 50 races. And first place this year, getting his crew out there, making sure the boat works. There was only about 5 points between the win and the second place winner. We've got first place Leprechaun, Jim Connor. Yeah, Jim was down for a long time. Chuck was out for a little bit, and it turned out to be a very close race.
Way to go, Leprechaun.
All right.
Good job.
That wraps up this week. Thanks for following our journey, one adventure at a time. Join us on Patreon for bonus footage of building this business. We created options for everyone, including a tip jar for just a few dollars, because every bit of support helps keep the dream alive. And don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. We'll see you next week.